ka National People's Party NPP minta kasimba kala play pa yung madur jong nang seng party ulit Purno A Sangma ubala pynïeng khmat ka ophis thymmai jong ka party yung new madur lawan ban play jong National President ka party ba deiru menteri rangba ka jela konrat ke sama ringkan National Vice President ba sniaw bhalang bat kumju State President ba Preston Tensong kibadeiru kisembor menteri rangba ka jela na lor kini la don lang ru National General Secretary James K. Sangma, Working President ba Hamlet Dolling, President ka National People's Women Front Congress Kharpuri, kinongyalam ka National People's Youth Front, la lor ki Menteri Sorka, ki MLA, Badru, ki MDC kentup lang kinongyalam ka party. Hagani kasngi la don lang ru hadu sangwat ki MLA na Manipur kibala wan ban sakhilang ya kani kasngi krang.
That we are unveiling the bust of late P.A. Sangmaji, and once again I would like to congratulate our state president, Mr. Preston Tensong. It was his idea and it was his initiative, and today we are finally completing it. So in fact I would like to request our state president if he should come and hold this and pull this together. Maybe we can pull this both together from the side. Thank you so much.